Hi there, this is Udi Garden. Every year we try to grow healthier plants. For the last 2 years, I have spent a good amount purchasing high quality soil and compost. It really helps the plants grow and the harvest quality is better, but it does get expensive. To save some money, I decided to try making my own compost. The idea of turning my food and plant scraps into soil sounds definitely cheap and convenient. I like this method as you can use almost anything from onion peels to shrimp shells to make the compost, and you waste less food making them into something great. When I cook, I collect my food scraps in a kitchen container. And I keep it in the fridge until the container is full. Once it's full, it is time to go out and make compost. I make my compost in 2 big pots. I protect my pots from animals by covering the tops with chicken wire held down by landscaping, staples, and rocks. During filming, the surface was frozen and the staples were stuck, so it took some time for me to remove the chicken wire. Just dump the food scraps into the pot. If there are some big chunks, I break them into smaller pieces as this will help them break down quicker. And cover them with a layer of recycled soil from my garden. The key here is to cover the food scraps with soil to avoid insects or bugs and prevent smells. We have a lot of squirrels in our area, so I cover the pots with chicken wire to keep them from digging out the food. Once my kitchen waste container fills up again, I do the same thing over again. It has been a couple of months since the last time I buried food scraps. Let's see what is underneath. I am seeing some plants sprouting. The leaves look like roses. Could it be? I remember we buried some roses in the compost bin a few months ago. Anyway, let's move them somewhere before digging. We will see what they are in the future. It looks like most of the food has composted except for some eggshells and avocado peels. I am so proud that I have made compost without spending or working hard, just using food waste. Now, let's use the compost. I have one garden bed that needs to be filled up. I'm going to use my homemade compost and some leftover mushroom compost. I am planning to grow eggplants and strawberries here. I hope they thrive. If you want to see how this garden bed is doing, please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. It really helps our channel.
Thanks for watching.